I am on an under construction flyover here in the Sanat Nagar area of bypass Srinagar. Now this is one of the nerve centers of traffic in the city. It was a bottleneck and that's why this flyover was conceived, planned and the work was started. It started a couple of years back, already has missed two deadlines. Why? Because of a shocking mistake from the engineering wing, from the administration. Now I'll tell Muzaffar to first show you the work has been completed, at least half of which has been completed, and as they did it, they finally came to know that there is a massive transmission line that is going overhead, it's passing through the area, and this is dangerous. The rest of the work can't be completed till this transmission line is removed or placed in a different way, or the height is raised. So that led to two deadlines being missed. But the shocking part is there is no accountability, no one is answerable, and no one is asking this question other than the Janta as to why and how such a massive transmission line was missed when they planned it. Why didn't they factor this in, and why wasn't the transmission line first removed or moved and then the work started? Now what it has done is, every day there are thousands of people who suffer. Now these are the common man, the commuters who pass through this area, and especially during the morning and evening time, the rush hour, there is massive traffic jam. The army convoys are also they do get stuck, and on the other hand you also have yatris who pass through this area during this time. Although for them the security agencies do ensure a free corridor, but for the common man this is a daily pain. Now the question is, how did these professionals who claim to be technically well aware, and people expect, they trust them because they believe that they have the requisite technical knowledge to ensure that these projects, one, they are built in a safe manner and then also completed timely. So how did they miss this transmission line, and why no one is answering these questions of the common man? On the other hand, you have two power centers in the Kashmir Valley or Jammu and Kashmir. The Lieutenant Governor says that he has nothing to do with the day-to-day affairs of the administration. He just takes care of the police. On the other hand, you have the Umar Abdullah government who says that they are powerless, they do not have the authority, they can't transfer an officer, they do not have the authority to really punish an officer or anyone for that sake if he commits a mistake. So where does this leave the common man? Voter who voted in huge number, reposed his faith in democracy with the hope that these issues would be sorted, his governance issues will be taken care of. But right now the situation is that it is flux. No one is answerable, and as far as this project is concerned, two deadlines missed and a shocking mistake that we do not expect from professionals. Now we've been told that it will take another 3 to 4 months for this project to get completed, and they are trying to relocate the power lines. There's a construction of a tower that is ongoing, something that should have happened even before this project was started. So this is one example of incompetence of the highest level and absolutely no accountability. The Deputy CM of Jammu and Kashmir, who is the Iron Minister, hasn't even cared to visit this location once to take first-hand account, to ask officers how did they really managed such a basic mistake of missing a huge transmission line, which even if you bring a small kid here, even a 4th class student will tell you that if you start this project, you'll have to first take care of the transmission line. So this is the kind of situation as far as governance in Jammu and Kashmir right now is concerned, and this is a glaring example of incompetence and accountability which is missing, and no fixation of responsibility as far as this particular project is concerned. But as I said, now hopefully it will be finally completed in the next 3-4 months, and you will have a relief, or it will come as a relief for the common man commuter who is suffering daily due to this very basic mistake as far as the authorities are concerned. Campus Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.